So I am hopeful that in about 6 months that I can buy a, Eddy 2 version robot from Elon Musk and just have it go out there and make sales calls for me. I'm a big believer that, business is a contact sport. You can't get away from the face-to-face, and how do I trust somebody but know that they're earnest and that they follow through, and they have to go through this maze and plethora of information and deliverables, and like we said, supply chain management. And I think AI is going to automate the processes to allow sales rep to spend more face-to-face time. And that's my goal that I'm wrestling right now with my company, and I'm trying to free up the time so that we can stay more personable. I'm a big believer that, people do business with people. We'll never do business with machines unless we're selling Chick-fil-A or something that's a commodity or retail or something. But when you get into these neural networks and the fiber and the training and the knowledge and the expertise and the resources that have to happen, you need someone to trust that's either going to be your lead project manager in this, and a lot of times that's what we are to the customer, because we help them manage that project and help them manage the people in there and also train them, teach them. So a lot of the AI initiatives could help us in training, but we have to go out and train the installers, we have to train the integrators, we have to have a test out. The interesting thing, I think, when we build data centers, I think this is very important to note, see it all the time, people come up to me, I'm building a T4, tier 4 data center. And what's the difference between a tier 1 and a tier 4? I think one has 4.9s and another one has 6.9, so I'm running 99.999 efficient. And people tell me that, and I say, well, that's great, but we don't live in that world. We live in a world where power and fiber have to have two 100% operational systems at all time. I need an A and a B. If A fails, it goes to B. B fails, it goes to A. So we have a failover switch, but each one has to be 100% tested and certified upon completion. And that's where we also come in. And, we can't automate that function yet. I would love to see a robot do all that and do the testing. Some of the integrators and installers might not want to see that, but, who knows what's going to happen. But the people still have to be involved to build it.